Sairam,
Atlassian.
not that, sir.
No. This tool is developed by Atlassian company or something, right?
Yes, Atlassian is the,
Founder or the owner.
yeah.
That's your.
Yeah, mine.
Excuse me. What happened, Mohan?
Yeah, loading once. So, do you able to see right now?
Uh-huh.
So this is a Jira Outlook. So yeah. So whenever you're, yeah. So here, click on the create.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So when you click on the create, so you will be whether you have to choose whether it's a project name you have to choose and the
Uh-huh.
summary. So summary. Now I will give you the case study. 1 second. So this is the restaurant management system. I'll be sending to you, your mail ID. 1 second.
And that starts with the GAD.
Yeah. 1 second, buddy. What is it? Start with GAD.
Yeah, that's
This one, right?
mm-hmm.
Ganvi Yogeshwara.
Uh-huh.
Mm. User stories. Yeah, I sent you. So what will happen in the real time instance? This is what you're trying to write down user stories for, you know, for a project.
Mhm.
For the sprint one, order creation. So order creation in the sense product browsing. So you are going to, you are going to place an order. So how you are going to place an order as a customer? So this is the user story. As a customer, I would be able
Mhm.
to browse the menu and look at various food options available in the restaurant
Mhm.
along with with piece of each item.
Mhm.
Did you understand this user story?
Right. So let's say if I'm going to Uber Eats or something, I will go to the list of the bunch of restaurant near me, and then the
Mhm.
menu, right?
Yes. So product browsing as a customer, I would be able to. That is the user story for order creation. You got me right. For order creation, sprint one. That is the one you for that is the we are going to write down the user stories for that one. So for
Mhm.
order creation. So order creation is an item for us for the sprint one. That is the item we are doing. Writing a user story for the item order creation. So these are the user stories we are going to write down. So product browsing, how you are going to write down a project browse. So yeah, as a customer, I would be able to browse through the menu and look at various food options available in the restaurant along with the piece of price of each item. You got me right?
Mhm. Yes.
So yeah, that is what I'm just trying to say. Yeah. So order what I you are going to summary in the sense order creation. Order order creation. So you create like this, create. So yeah, create an issue or create an yeah, create an issue. Click on the create an issue. Yeah, here you are going to write out in the restaurant along with the price of each item. So what is the as a customer product browsing? So this is the user story. You would be able to browse for this order creation task. I am writing down the user stories. You got me right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is how you are going to access the Jira. So after acceptance criteria. So here, what is the acceptance criteria for the, for this item? So did you understand the user story, right? So
I'm
what
trying
is
to
the
understand.
yeah, what is the acceptance criteria?
Mm-hmm.
So what is the
Ex-
acceptance criteria? Yeah,
uh, it depends on
yeah.
the app.
I didn't get you. What is that?
It depends on the app or the project which we are trying to work.
Yeah, for this acceptance criteria in the sense when you are,
Uh-huh.
traveling in a bus, you get into the bus. What is the acceptance criteria?
Oh, okay. So
We have we have
for
to
you have
take a
to go to the
ticket.
take a ticket,
We
go to
have
the bus station, yeah, find a seat.
correct. So when you are going to a movie, what is the acceptance criteria?
Either you go online and book first you go to the nearby theater or the theater whichever you want to go. Select that theater, see the timings, see
Mhm.
the and suitable times and book the seat accordingly, like the choice wise. Sometimes it's recliner, sometimes it's not, sometimes it's 3D, sometimes it's regular screen, you know.
Mhm. So that is what we call it as a acceptance criteria. So for in your case, product browsing. So you are browsing a product. For that, as a customer, I would be able to browse through the menu and look at various food options available in the restaurant, along with the price of each item. So for this product browsing, what is the acceptance criteria?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what is that? Can you please read out?
Yes, so AC001, that is print one or the task one.
Yeah, for user story one, this is the acceptance criteria one.
Categorize menu with prices is visible and enable with the selection choices. As soon as the customer chooses the items, the order is created in the database and it's visible to the customers. Okay. US002 production
No, no, no,
selection.
wait. So what did you understand from this user story? Categorized menu with the prices is visible. So uh, you are going to browse the product. I would be able to browse through the menu and look at various food options available
So
in the restaurant and along with
here,
the price of each item. How we are going to, what is the acceptance criteria? Categorized menu. Whenever you are able to, price is available, you know, then only you are able to browse the product, right? Categorized menu with the prices is visible and enabled with selection choices. As soon as the
right.
customer chooses items, the order is created in the database, correct? And visible to the customer. So that is what that is my acceptance criteria. As a customer, I would be able to browse through the menu and look out for various food options. What is the acceptance criteria? Categorized menu with the prices is visible and enabled with the selection choices. You got me right?
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So that is the acceptance criteria. So let's suppose you are now going to you are moving to some other. You are planning to move from Canada to US. What is the acceptance criteria?
Yeah, planning to, okay. First, what visa category I should apply, where I will be fit. Then I will read the requirement of the visa and I will file accordingly, documentations and statements and finance and everything. And then I will put up my file. If they will select, then I will get the visa. If they not, if they seems like that I need if they need some more documentation, sometimes they send the RFE, which is called a request of evidence. And
Mhm.
and sometimes if the all the documentation is good, then your visa has been approved.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so this is the user story two, product selection. So
Uh-huh.
product selection. So as a customer, I should be able to select the items from the menu and add them to my cart or order acceptance criteria. So let me write down this is my second what I'm just trying to say. Yeah. So yeah, here what the acceptance criteria for user story one has to be copied here. So you have to copy the acceptance criteria here and you have to paste it here. Where you have to paste, you have to paste here in the Kanban board here. So this is how you're going to write down the user stories in a Jira. So like that, again you have to create another one. So what is that your second user story is talking about?
Second user story is talking about the acceptance
Product
criteria
selection.
and then the product selection. So let's say if I want to make all order online, order selection. So I mean product selection. So is it come sometimes we order from Zomato or sometimes Uber Eats.
Yeah, product selection in the sense. Yeah, you can take consider Zomato or consider or any food app. So wherever as a customer or something like that. So when you go there, Swiggy, you should
and
be able
and
to
then
select the item.
we will have
Yeah.
more options into the, let's say if I select Zomato or Swiggy or Uber Eats, whatever is there, then again we do have so many options for the restaurant or what type of food would we like to have.
Mm, correct. So that is what you are going to provide. You're going to have, some what I am just trying to say. Yeah, you should be able to select the items from the menu and add them to the my cart art. That is the user story you have. So
Uh-huh.
you're going to write down here. Okay. So here, see, select the items from the menu and add them to my cart add. So this is what. Yeah. So what is the acceptance criteria for this product search? Can you read out?
Categorize menu with prices is visible and enable with the selection choices. As soon as the customer chooses the item in order to create in the database is visible to the customer. ये तो already ऊपर आ चुका था ना? I mean, it was there already in acceptance criteria.
So that is what we have either you can have one acceptance criteria more than one acceptance criteria. So categorized menu with the prices is visible and enabled with the selection choices. As soon as the customer chooses item, the order is created in the database and is visible to the customer. What I'm just trying to say, in some cases you might have one or you might have more than one acceptance criteria. You got me right?
Mm-hmm.
Let me give you one example. 1 second here.
Mm-hmm.
So here, I what I'm just trying to say, create an issue here. So yeah, create an issue here. So what needs to be done? You have to write down here. So that is what. So here, more than one acceptance criteria. What is the deletion button and addition button should be visible for each item. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Why? Because as soon as you are, you might, in some cases, you have ordered. So might be you are have planned to go for a new order. So deletion button and addition button should be visible for each item. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
That is what is the second acceptance criteria. What I'm just trying to say now, that is your second acceptance criteria. So you will have to have that second acceptance criteria. So deletion button as well as yeah. So next.
Sir, can we do it tomorrow? Because my eyes is literally closing. I'm just holding my eyes.
Oh. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. So I have sent you the document. I will please go through that. User stories. Please go through that user stories. So
Mhm.
for every user story. Okay, no issues. Just have tomorrow login. If you have a laptop, login with using the laptop.
Okay,
Okay.
and I will go through these documentations. If I will have any questions, we will do a question answer first.
Yeah, yeah, sure, 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 sure,
Okay.
sure.
Okay.
So
Thank you.
I'll teach you how we are going to write down a user story. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Yogesh. Bye.
Okay. Bye.